So I get asked a bunch of questions about the bags that I'm using on my Pan America and how I install them, so I figured I'd go over that today. I gotta clean my chain today, so I figured I'd do this too. These are the Thrashin Supply Essential bags. These are the smaller ones out of the 2 or 3 that they make. And these are old. These are about 5 years old. I've had them on multiple bikes, my Sportsters, my Dual Sport, things like that. And they've been great. They're a bit beat up, but they're still working just fine. They're great for the day packs. You don't need the big giant packs that Harley sells. These work awesome. And you really don't need anything to install them. They just go straight on the bike. The only thing that I use is a little Velcro strap. You can get these in a roll, and I cut them to size so they make about a 3-inch loop, and I'll show you why I do that and where I put it. So I wrap this around the subframe. Like I said earlier, I make probably about a 2 to 3-inch loop, just like that, just on this subframe. I'll show you why I do that in a second. So as far as putting the bags on, they're super easy. They go on just like they would on any other bike. You pop the rear seat off, and they go straight across. Now I put them underneath this bar, but they have enough room to where they will fit. So I'll take them and I'll pull them super tight before I put them down and connect them. And that's about all I do for that. Now for those little loops that I showed you earlier, the bags have this little strap on the bottom, and it doesn't quite go over the subframe or through the subframe to have enough to hold on to. So these are basically just a little extender. So I'll put this strap through there, pull it tight, and make sure it's Velcroed down. Now I have another one on the back that's kind of through this Molly rig, and I'll strap this down to back here on the rack. I don't think this is actually needed, but hey, this is what I do, so I figured I'd show you anyways. But yeah, that's all you need. It's super easy. They don't come loose. Just make sure that they're tight and you get all the slack out of them. I've never had a problem with them on bumpy off-road stuff, highways. They're pretty solid. So yeah, I figured I'd go over that and show you guys what I do and how easy they are to install. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if you could, please subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Like I've had Fly Escape bivvies. No, they are not.